Hi everyone, this is Teacher Nev once again and welcome to math class. So today's lesson is sorting shapes. But before that, let's have a short preview of our shapes. Are you ready? So the first one is a circle. Next, what shape is this? What shape is this? So this is a rectangle. Next, what shape is this? What shape is this? This is a triangle. Next, what shape is this? What shape is this? This is a square. Next, what shape is this? This is a triangle. How about this? What shape is this? This is a square. Very good. Let's talk about the properties of the following shapes. A rectangle. So a rectangle has four sides and four corners. A square. A square has four sides and four corners. A triangle. A triangle has three sides and three corners. So there are several ways to sort shapes. So the first one is by color, by shape, by size, and the last one is by the number of sides and corners. And now I'm going to show you how to group the shapes by color. So we have here a circle, a square, triangle, rectangle, rectangle, and a triangle. So how many colors do we have in here? We have two colors. And what are they? Blue and red. Now let's group the shapes by color. So the shapes are grouped by color. Next is by shape. Triangle, circle, circle, circle again, triangle, and a triangle. Now, let's group the shapes by shape. So the shapes are grouped by shape. Next is by size. So when we are talking about size, we are talking about small and big. A small square, a big circle, a small circle, a big triangle, a big square, and a small triangle. So let's group it. So if you can see, the shapes are grouped by size, small and big. And lastly, by the number of sides and corners. So we have triangle, square, rectangle, triangle, triangle, and rectangle. So we're going to divide these shapes by the number of sides and corners. So as you can see, on your left side, all the shapes has 3 sides and 3 corners. And on your right side, all the shapes has 4 sides and 4 corners. So let's have a short activity. How many shapes do you see? So let's start with the square. How many squares do you see? How many squares are there? There are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. There are 8 squares. How about circles? How many circles are there? How many circles are there? How many circles are there? So let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. There are 9 circles. Next, how many triangles are there? How many triangles are there? How many triangles are there? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4. There are 4 triangles. And the last one, how many rectangles are there? How many rectangles are there? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4. There are 4 triangles. How are the shapes grouped? A by color, B by shape. So what's your answer? It's letter A by color. How are the shapes grouped? A by shape, B by the number of sides and corners. So what's your answer? It's letter B by the number of sides and corners. How are the shapes grouped? A by shape, B by size. What's your answer? Letter Letter B, by size. Okay, so for your homework, color the shapes. Letter A, squares. Color all the squares. B, triangles. C, rectangles. And letter D, the shapes that are not circles. Not circles. So number 3, which shape is not in each set? Circle the correct answer. So set A, we have their circle, triangle, triangle, and a rectangle. So a rectangle or a square is not in this set. So we have here a rectangle. Do we have a square in set A? No. So we're going to circle the word square. So for letter B, set B, a triangle or a circle is not in this set. So circle the word. Number 4, count the shapes and write the numbers. So triangle, 3, let's count. 1, 2, 3. So how many circles, how many rectangles, and how many squares are there? Next, same for letter B. Write the number of triangle, circle, rectangle, and square. So for this, number 5, how are the shapes grouped? Tick the correct boxes. So for letter A, so how are they grouped? Is it by color? Is it by shape? Or is it by size? So we're going to tick the correct box. So that's all for today, and I'll see you again next time. Bye!